I have in my hand a satellite dish tripod. It's capable of supporting dishes up to 80 centimeters, and it's ideal for people who would say who are on the move. So people who are camping and a caravan transporter thing, or say lorry driver or something like that, who want to have a satellite dish, set it up extremely quickly. So this particular unit, really like it, because we have other tripods, more industrial ones in our range. We can see the outer box here. We just mount the satellite dish directly onto it and set it up. So these ones are cool because you don't need any tools to set it up. It's much lighter weight than the other heavy duty tripods we had, and the price point it comes in at is extremely attractive as well. So what I'm going to talk about is 3 parts that make it up. We have an extension bar here which allows us to increase the height. We have 3 pegs here which you can use to pin it to the ground, and we also have the tripod itself. I think this demonstration will go best if I stand up. So what I'm going to do is just let the cameraman adjust there, and so we need to loosen off the connection here so we can slide it up and down. What I can do then is just put my hand in, and we can see here, we can just slide it up and down extremely easily. Just have a look again. We can just set the level of outreach that we want to achieve on it, and the height. And what we can do then is, if we needed to raise it to a higher height, we could just use this bar here. It just drops in, and we slide this down over it. We just need to release it out, and then we can push down and lock it directly in. The pegs here can just be used with each of the leg things on it. So overall, the setup on it is extremely quick, and when we come along and we have it locked, we can just lock it into position using this mechanism here. Okay, so I'll just turn this around so you can see it fully, and it just locks in, pulls across. So as I was saying earlier in terms of the demonstration here, we don't actually need any tools whatsoever, and when we're finished we just loosen it off, push it in, so it more or less goes up and down like an umbrella. It's just a great design. The market for this will say, I think it'll be a reasonable sized market, simply because it's just a stable and very quick way of doing it. Like, it's obviously not as stable as mounting it directly onto a concrete wall or something like that. But if you're going around trying to find, say, a good spot to drop it, all the rest of it, and you're only staying at one location for 1 or 2 days at a go, this is an ideal way of doing it. And it sits really well with the overall range of satellite dishes. We've everything from 40 centimetres all the way up to, I think, about 125 centimetre. So this particular one is very impressive. So that's it anyway. An overview of the satellite dish tripod, which can support satellite dishes up to 80 centimetres, available on freetv.ie.